Barbell math comes down to one thing: landmarks. In American barbell math, we count our landmarks in alternating increments of 40 and 50 pounds, with a base of 45, which is very confusing and inconvenient. Why are we using the imperial system instead of metric? Because Canada couldn't make up its damn mind, so now we're stuck between two measurement systems. Truly a horror without end. Many things in Canada we measure in metric, but for no reason, gym equipment is still mostly counted in pounds. If we lived in a sane universe, or in Europe, we'd be counting plates in increments of 5, 10, and 20. Instead, we live in this universe. Anyway, onto the math and the landmarks. Once you know your landmarks, it's much easier to determine what change plates to use to finish your load. To finish loading the bar. Starting with the standard 45-pound bar, which in reality is actually 44 pounds, but we're not going to talk about that. That's your first landmark. Then adding 25s, that's your next landmark. Then switching out for 45s, then adding 25s, then switching those out for another set of 45s. So conveniently, your landmarks will alternate in jumps of 40 and 50 pounds. These are in order: 45, 95, 135, 185, 225, 275, 315, 365, 405, and so on and so on. Again, once you know your landmarks, it's much easier to determine what change plates need to go on to complete the load. For example, if you're pressing 110, then we play Price is Right. What's the nearest landmark under 110? That would be 95, which is a bar, and 225s. So you got 15 left, divide that by 2, so you're going to put on each side a 5 and a 2.5. That makes 15. Easy. If you're a big boy and you're lifting big weights, another good way to think about it is that the bar plus a plate on each side is 135 to start. For every extra plate after that, just add 100 to that number minus 10. So 135, then 225, then 315, 405. To avoid unnecessary confusion, if your gym has 35 or 55 pound plates, avoid like the plague. Pretend they don't exist. Their only purpose is to fuck you up. Now personally, I use 15s. We have our nice Rogue 15-pound bumper plates, but that's only because I have years of rudimentary barbell arithmetic under my belt. Such dangerous and big-brained accounting should only be reserved for the most veteran and advanced gym bro mathematicians. This has been your monthly lab lesson. Good luck out there.